Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer keeps freezing randomly. Let's fix it guys. First up, you just need to check for Windows updates. To do this, go to search menu and type check for updates. Click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date guys. After that, just close tab here. Second step, you just need to update your graphics driver. To do this, for NVIDIA users, open the GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience installed in your PC, then check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, use the AMD write-on software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After that, just to close tab here. Third step, perform a system file check. To do this, go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for these two commands. Just to copy and paste it one by one. After finishing both the commands, let's move on to the fourth step guys. Fourth step, you just need to check for disk errors. To do this, you just need to copy this that command and paste it in cmd. Now you just need to type Y in keyboard and press enter. Now the volume will be checked the next time the system restarts. Now just to close tab here. Fifth step, you just need to disable startup programs. To do this, right click on the taskbar and select task manager. On left side, select startup apps. In here, you just need to disable unnecessary programs. Guys, just by right clicking on them and select disable it. I recommend to disable Microsoft Edge, Discord, Battle.net, EA Launcher, Epic Games Launcher, Steam, and BlueStack services. After disabling all of these, just close tab here. Sixth step, you just need to increase virtual memory. To do this, go to search menu and type advanced system settings. Click on open it. Under performance, select settings. Go to advanced tab. Under virtual memory, select change. Uncheck automatically manage paging file size for all drives. In this drive list, you just need to select the C drive and select custom size. Now you just need to find how much RAM installed on your PC. To know that, go to search menu and type about your PC. Click on open it. In here you can able to see how much RAM installed in your PC. After knowing that, just to close tab here. Now check my video description for these installer size and maximum size values. Just to copy the value depends on your RAM. In my case, I have 16 GB RAM. That's why I'm copying this value. The same thing for maximum size, copy and paste it in maximum size. Select the set option, select yes. Now the value should be set at under paging file size. Select OK, select the plain OK, select OK option. And now you just need to select the restart later option. After finishing all these steps, we can restart guys. Seventh step, you just need to run a malware scan. To do this, go to search menu and type virus and threat protection. Click on open it. You just need to select scan options and select full scan option over here, and you just need to scroll down and select the scan now option. After finishing this, just to close stuff here. Eighth step, you just need to adjust your power plan. To do this, go to search menu and type edit power plan. Click on open it. Select change advanced power settings. You just need to expand the processor power management. Click on this drop down in the minimum processor state and set this setting 100 and select apply and OK for save changes. And after that, just to close stuff here. Now you can restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.